1, go. Number 118 on course at 1452, horse number 118 on
And Jessica Hart is through the feeder at 9, headed now towards the log jump at 10. Courtney Cooper on the final run through the
steeplechase brush, now headed towards the Oscar.
Supervision's over the Beehive at 5, headed now towards the gray bench of 6. Jessica Hart through the double at 13. Welcome to the course, Darren Mollett riding Beverly's Get Even. Beverly's Get Even is up and over the first jump and headed towards the trees. Jessica Hart is over the roll top at 15, headed now towards the water. St. Laurent is in the water. Ridden by Jessica Hart. Owned by Jessica Hart. Up and out now. Headed through the log out toward the steeplechase brush. Darren Mollett through the second jump, headed now towards the house at jump number 3. Welcome home, Jessica Hart, finishing the course on St. Laurent. Wabba. And Darren Mollett's cleared the ski ramp at 4, headed now towards the Beehive on Beverly's Get Even. Darren Mollett through the drop ditch at 7, headed for the step up at 8. Constant Supervision's through the red roll top at 15, heading into the water. Easy work of the water, headed to the out. Log out jump 17 clear now, around the corner towards the steeplechase brush. Jessica Schauberg's riding Constant Supervision. Constant Supervision is 9 years old. Jessica on the approach for the steeplechase is up and over. Welcome to the course, Anne-Marie Cochran riding Where to Go. Up and over the final jump, Jessica Schauberg riding Constant Supervision. Welcome back.